So, yun guys, freshly made dragon fruit juice, okay? Isang buong dragon fruit to, guys. Shoutout to Manay Isel. Si Manay Isel nagbigay sa akin ng dragon fruit. Ayan, tapos I added ice cubes, then evaporated milk, condensed milk, and then I added at least 200 ml of water. So right now, I'm going to drink. Yummers. It's like a smoothie. Diba? Yahoo! Tikman na natin. How's the taste? Oh my God. It's perfect. Tama lang yung tamis. Tama lang yung dami ng ibap na nalagay ko. Inubos ko lang kasi yung leftover na ibap sa, ay ano, na condense pala sa ref. So, yung tamang-tama lang. So, yan. Okay. Mabilis lang naman gawin, guys. Okay. Isang malaki, medium size na dragon fruit. Then, at least, 200 ml of evap milk. Tapos, mga 100 ml of condensed. Tapos, ice cubes. Mga 10 na ice cubes. Okay? So, Ben, thanks for watching. Ayan. It's a pop. Yummy.